Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best garden tiller cultivator available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 5. Bucatod Tiller Cultivator. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use garden tool, the Bucatod 18-inch electric tiller might be just what you need. With its 18-inch width, this tiller covers more ground in less time, making your gardening jobs quicker and easier. Its 8-inch tilling depth ensures the soil is well prepared for planting. Powered by a 13.5A copper motor with a speed of 360 RPM, this tiller handles tough soil with ease, helping you finish large areas in as little as 30 minutes. Safety is a priority, with an overload protection system that shuts the machine off if it's obstructed, preventing damage. There's also a safety button and over-temperature protection for added peace of mind. The 6 steel tines are made of durable 65°MN steel, designed to provide stable and efficient tilling. This tiller is lightweight at just 27.87 pounds, so it's easy to move around, and the foldable handle makes it simple to store. Whether you're working on a garden, lawn, or flower bed, the Bucatod electric tiller is a practical and efficient choice for any gardening enthusiast. Number 4. MZK 40V 12-inch cordless garden tiller. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to prepare your garden, the MZK 40V cordless garden tiller is a game-changer. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this tiller lets you work anywhere. No cords, no limits. With two 4.0Ah batteries and a fast charger included, you'll always have the power you need for your gardening tasks. This tiller is lightweight and designed with an ergonomic handle, so it's easy to use and reduces fatigue. Whether you're working in tight spaces or large garden beds, maneuvering this tool is a breeze. With 16 durable steel tines and a 12-inch tilling width, the MZK cultivator breaks up tough soil quickly and evenly. It's perfect for aerating the soil, preparing beds for planting, or even refreshing your lawn. You can transform your garden in just one pass, saving you time and effort. MZK is committed to making gardening easy and enjoyable. If you have any questions, their customer support team is always ready to help. The MZK cordless tiller is a reliable and efficient choice for gardeners of all levels. Enjoy freedom, comfort, and efficiency, all in one tool. Number 3. LawnMaster T1318W 1-corded electric tiller. The LawnMaster T1318W 1-corded electric tiller is a top choice for gardeners who need a powerful, eco-friendly tool to handle medium to large-sized gardens. Its 13.5-amp motor drives 6 rust-resistant steel blades at 390 RPM, making it easy to break through tough terrain. With an 18-inch cutting width and a 9-inch tilling depth, this tiller covers more ground in less time, delivering efficient soil preparation for planting. Plus, the mechanical overload protection ensures the tiller automatically shuts off if it encounters an obstacle, preventing damage and extending its lifespan. The LawnMaster tiller is designed with convenience in mind. Foldable handles make it easy to store in tight spaces, and the adjustable transit wheels offer 3 positions for better maneuverability. Since it's electric, there's no need for gas, oil, or harmful emissions, making it a clean, eco-conscious option for your garden. Whether you're aerating soil, breaking up clumps, or preparing garden beds, the LawnMaster T1318W delivers reliable performance and thoughtful design. A great choice for gardeners who value power, efficiency, and sustainability. Number 2. Sunjoe Electric Garden Tiller. The Sunjoe TJ603 electric tiller makes gardening a breeze with its powerful 12-amp motor, capable of slicing through soil at 340 RPM. Whether you're preparing a seedbed or aerating soil, this tiller delivers effortless performance. Designed for efficiency, it covers a 16-inch width and digs up to 8 inches deep, saving time while ensuring thorough soil preparation. The 6 durable steel tines provide exceptional durability and rust resistance, making it ready for even the toughest gardening jobs. This tiller is built with convenience in mind. It features a 3-position wheel adjustment for easy maneuverability and a collapsible handle for simple storage and transport. It's perfect for gardens of all sizes, offering unmatched versatility. With the Sunjoe TJ603, you can say goodbye to gas, oil, and harmful emissions. It's a cleaner, greener way to tackle yard work while reducing strain and boosting comfort. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the Sunjoe TJ603 ensures worry-free gardening. If you're ready to dig in and transform your garden, this electric tiller is the tool for the job. Number 1. Mantis 7922 Cycle Plus Tiller. The Mantis 7922 Cycle Plus Tiller is a powerful yet compact tool, perfect for tackling all your tilling and cultivating needs. Weighing just 20 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry with its built-in handle, making garden work less of a chore. Equipped with a commercial-grade 2-cycle engine, this tiller delivers reliable power to dig up to 10 inches deep, breaking through tough soil with ease. Its patented serpentine tines are built to last and even come with a lifetime guarantee against breakage. The Mantis is designed for simplicity and comfort, featuring molded grips, an ergonomic speed control, and an easy push-button primer. Its durable one-piece cast gearbox ensures long-lasting performance, while the foldable handlebars make storage hassle-free. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, the Mantis 7920 is a great choice for gardeners who want a powerful, easy-to-use tool in a compact package. If you're ready to make tilling and cultivating simpler, the Mantis 7920 has you covered.